Oh, what's Viper? Punt kick! Oh, and he missed. Oh my God. He might have hurt his ankle.
Go! Go! Go!
Joseph kicking that knee.
Go!
Oh, and then Enziguri.
Go! Go!
Taking that knee out.
Oh.
Oh, what's Joseph have? Oh, it looks like a golf club.
Go! Oh.
Hit him right across the back.
1, 2.
Oh, and Viper kicks out.
Go!
Oh. My gosh. Deadliest kick I've seen.
Attack. Go!
Sit down. Viper's got him. Oh,
Go!
Joseph hit him with that punch.
Come on!
Woo!
Go!
Oh, Joseph with the front flip. Both of them are down. Let's see which one will get up first. Oh, Viper got up first. Oh, and then Joseph. Oh, Viper going to the ladder. No, the fence. Okay. Joseph holding his neck.
Go!
Oh, he's got him in the Viper bomb.
Go!
Oh,
Go!
Joseph giving the hooks. Oh,
Go!
oh, and Viper threw him up against the fence. Oh, Viper's going for the ladder. Joseph's still down from that horribly thrown to the fence. Viper's limping a little bit. Viper getting Joseph up.
Go!
Hitting him with the right hooks.
Go!
Another right elbow.
Go!
Oh, Joseph threw Viper head first into the ladder. Oh, what's Joseph doing? Going up top.
Come on!
Woo! Oh, and a Hurricane Rana.
Oh!
Oh, Joseph took off his shirt. It's game time. Joseph hitting him. Oh, Viper punching back. Joseph hitting him again. Oh, and Viper's still fighting. Oh, Viper's got him. Viper with them chops.
Go!
Oh, Viper with the forearms. What's Viper going for?
Go!
Punt kick! Killed Joseph. Let's see if we'll get it.
1, 2.
Oh, Joseph kicked out. Viper seems to be a little mad. Joseph with the backflip.
Boom.
Oh, it takes out the right knee.
Come on.
Woo!
Boom. Boom.
Liberty Bell.
Boom.
Killed Viper. Well, Viper will get up. Joseph must be in pain. Joseph fighting.
Boom.
Oh, and Joseph with a drop kick. Looked like he caught him in the jaw.
Boom. Boom.
He's still working that left knee.
Boom.
Oh, he drop kicked the left knee. Oh, what's Joseph doing? Oh, I guess he's going for the chair. Both of these men are worn out. Joseph going for a splash. Will he get it?
1, 2.
Oh, and Viper barely kicks out.
Boom.
Oh, Viper fighting back. Oh, and a super kick. Viper calling, he has it.
Boom.
Oh, killed him.
1, 2.
Oh, Joseph kicked out. Barely. Viper seems to be a little mad. Oh. Oh, Joseph fighting back. He's fighting back.
Boom.
Oh, and he hits Viper with the right elbows. Oh. Both of these men have been in plenty of Extreme Rules matches. Joseph hitting him. Viper, too unconscious to fight back. Joseph worn out, laying his head on the chair. Oh, Viper's up. Drop kicks him to the gut. Joseph holding his ribs.
Ah! Oh.
Oh, Joseph fighting back.
Boom.
Joseph going for the flagpole. Oh. Oh, Joseph's got it. Joseph going for the pin.
1, 2.
Oh, and Viper barely kicks out. Will Viper have enough energy to continue this match? Oh! Oh! Got him. He's got him. Oh. This was bad for Joseph. Joseph fighting back. Oh! 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 And Viper hits him. Viper's still hurt from the knee, and Joseph still laid down. Viper, he's looking for something. Joseph getting up. Oh, he's got a board. Viper's got a board. Oh. Oh, and he hit Joseph with the board.
Boom. Boom.
Joseph fighting back. DD Liberty. Oh, no.
Ah. Boom.
Snakes in the pit.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, and Viper continues to hold the Extreme Rules title. Oh, what is this? Viper. Viper going for the handshake.